few months ago, we reviewed the Euki X3. Absolutely love it. Today we are looking at the Euki F31. The difference between the two, the X3 has a 150,000 brushless motor and the F1 has a 130,000 brushless motor. So the X3 has more power. Right, before we start, let me tell you, I'm going to go backwards today and give you my thoughts right now. If you're interested in this product, click the link in the description box below and go buy it. Honestly, every household or workplace should have this. Thanks for watching. No, wait. If you want to know more or see this in action, then keep watching. Okay, so let's have a quick look around the box. Euki F31 Super Power Turbo Fan. I actually call this a air duster. 130,000 RPM brushless motor, 150G wind pressure, 5,000 mAh battery, 45 ms, I think that's millisecond wind speed. Some information on this side. Super wind, super rotation speed, brushless motor, magnetic design, that's the thing at the front. Blowing dust, overheating protection. Same on this side, same on this side. We have some information at the back if you're interested. So it says on level 1, it will give you a runtime of 4 hours. This is everything you get inside the box. We get a user manual in different languages. You get 2 years warranty with this. Type A to Type C charge cable. Some cleaning tools that will help you clean pretty much everything. I'm pretty sure this is a makeup brush. This is good for doing your computer keyboards, as we showed in the X3 video. Also get a bag. See, because this is a nice compact size, I'm glad they gave a bag with it, because you could keep everything together. Because if you put this somewhere and then you put the tools separate, you'll end up losing one of them. But I don't think you'll lose this, because honestly, once you use this, you will absolutely love it. It's fantastic. At the back we have the air inlet, Type C charging port. We have these 3 little status indicators there. They're for speed, and they will also let you know when you need to charge the battery. We have power on off, some information at the bottom. That switch there, you need to use that if you're going to use this on number 3. You have to hold it. If you use it on number 2 and 1, you don't need to hold that. Air outlet, that's magnetic. You can remove that just by pulling it off. So to turn it on, we hold it down for a few seconds, the power button. You've got 3 indicators there. By default, it will start on number 3, which is the most powerful one. Number 2, for that you don't need to hold the trigger button, you just tap on it. That's number 1. To turn it off, we just keep hold of the power button and it will turn off. Nice and lightweight. If you're elderly or if you have any issues with your hands, like arthritis or anything, it's not heavy, you could still use this. It's a good investment and kinder to the environment, because like me, if you have used compressed air cans, you'll know what I'm talking about. They often run out halfway. Sometimes they let a bit of residue out as well. You can't recycle them. Well, the ones I've been buying, you can't recycle them. It's not kind to the planet. The Euki F31 on the other hand, you just charge it. You can clean your computer, keyboard, inside your car, gaming console and much more. I showed the power of this using water. You've seen how powerful this is. We absolutely love this and would highly recommend it. Link in the description box below if you want to pick it up. Hope you found the video useful. If you did, please leave a like and please subscribe to watch more reviews. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.